Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Shopify product import workflows for fast updates, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Shopify admin account. Go to the Apps section from the left sidebar. In the Apps section, click on the Visit Shopify App Store button. Use the search bar to look for a product import application. Select an app that has good reviews and fits your needs. Click on the app to view more details. Then, click on the Add App button. Follow the prompts to install the application on your store. After installation, open the app from your Apps section. Familiarize yourself with the interface and features offered by the app. Locate the option to create a new import workflow. Click on the Create Workflow button. Select the type of product data you want to import. This could include basic product information or variants. Upload your product data file in the required format, usually CSV. Make sure your file matches the app's template specifications. Map your data fields to the appropriate Shopify fields. This step ensures all your information will be imported correctly. Review the mapping for accuracy. Once confirmed, proceed by clicking the Import button. Wait for the import process to complete. Check for any errors during the import in the app's dashboard. If there are errors, address them as instructed. Once the import is successful, review your Shopify product list. Verify that all newly imported products appear correctly. If necessary, adjust product details such as pricing or descriptions. To set up automated updates, access the app settings. Look for the automation features available in the app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.